Dude, where have you been? You were supposed to pick up samples for my story. But you never showed, so Chayborg came up with a plan B.
Something is starting to happen. Let's watch a little longer.
Oh, we're literally watching paint dry.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, man. I totally forgot I was meant to do that. These babies arrived in the store today, so I had to pick them up.
Seriously, dude? So instead of helping me, you were buying new headphones?
Hey, these are noise canceling, solar rechargeable, and they would have sold out.
What was wrong with your old ones?
What?
He said, what was wrong with your old ones?
Well, my old ones were, what do you call it? Old. I'm all about the new tech. I know you get the importance of quality audio for your music, right?
This sounds like last week's new phone with a better quality screen.
And what about your new phone watch?
Smartwatch, thank you very much. Check it.
Well, I think we may have created the most boring Buzz Blast segment ever. Javi, I really need you to complete the stories you promise.
I'm so sorry, Jane. Ollie was supposed to drop off the samples 2 hours ago.
Is this for the new vegetable hybrid you mentioned? Half pickle, half onion?
Yeah, Funyuns.
Well, despite the fact that it would change the face of hamburgers as we know it, cancel it. I've got something even more important for you to cover. There's been a strange storm lingering over Pine Ridge Bay all week. The weather people can't determine what's causing it. I want a feature for this afternoon's live stream. Maybe a nice interview with an expert.
For real? I'm covering weather?
Hello? Super awesome weird weather. Get on it.
Like she said, this isn't normal weather. It's caused by some freaky energy surge. It's not even her field, but my mom's all over it. The electrical storm's too dangerous for boats and planes. So this morning we prepped her submarine drone to search underwater.
Pine Ridge Bay. That's where the Nexus prism dove into the sea. The Morphin Masters sent it to look for something, but we never found out what.
True. They might be connected.
Ollie, do you think I could interview your mom?
No way. She's busy gathering data with her sub-drone. You can interview me instead. Trust me, I helped Mom build that drone. I'm practically an expert.
Okay, sold.
And if we're lucky, Dr. Akana might find a clue about what the prism was doing on Earth.
Maybe. I better check in her progress. I'll be back for the interview.
Okay, I really want to do a good job on this, so be on time. 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, I promise. Hey, Mom, find anything?
Well, the sub-drone's still scouring the floor of the bay. She's doing her best, but it'll take a while on my old gal. There's a lot of data to crunch.
Well, if the laptop is slowing us down, why not get a new one? I saw the latest X335 model at the store earlier, and it was on sale.
I know you love shiny new tech, but even on sale, laptops aren't cheap. This one will do just fine, thanks. It'll do the job, just be patient.
Yeah, I love being patient.
Yeah, being patient is the worst.
But we have to wait for Dr. Lady to find the energy source causing that storm.
Causing that storm so we can steal it for Void Night, I know. But I don't know how.
That kid said he wants a new laptop.
So?
So, we should get him one. A very special one.
What's all that?
Not sure. Let me check it out.
Be careful.
Oh, man! A spark be attached to the marina.
We're on our way.
Hey, you don't belong here. Fish out of water.
I'm no fish, but I'm full of water. Have a drink on me! Have a drink on me!
Link to Morphin Grid.
got you covered.
Come in. The water's fine.
Blazing Dino key, ready. Blazing Fury Blast!
Ooh, this move is really hot.
Flash NATO.
What?
Oh man, I guess water really does beat fire.
You losers are all wet behind the ears.
Wait, Mr. Beast, let's chat!
We have a proposal!
That thing's running wild, and he's long gone already.
We better go check if my mom had a close encounter of the beastly kind. Hey, Mom. Did you see anything go by just now?
Nope, just staring a fish.
I don't like this. You can bet that Sporix piece will be back.
Oh, hi, everyone. Welcome. Sorry this isn't more exciting. I haven't found anything yet. But the storm's as strong as ever. The sub-drone's still on track, but it'll take a while for my laptop to process all that info.
Computer's a dinosaur. Speaking of time, Ollie and I gotta go do that interview.
You two go. We'll head back to base in case that beast reappears.
I'll check back later. Call me
If there's any updates, yes.
Thanks, Mom.
Up next, Ollie Akana's here to explain what's behind that crazy storm.
We got this.
But first, a surprise giveaway! Introducing our generous guest who has a brain teaser for us.
Why, thank you, Miss Jane. Hello, teens. I'm Mr. Wiz with a special bubblegum challenge. If you can guess the exact number of bubblegum balls in this jar, you will win a brand spanking new X335 laptop.
Look.
The speediest tech money can buy.
What? That's the exact one I want.
The first person to correctly guess the number of gumballs wins.
Text in your guesses, folks, and we'll pop them on screen. The first guesses are already in. 293?
Nope.
What about 9,008?
That's way too high. I could calculate that number. It's just logic and math.
You're about to go on, get in position.
Okay, time to concentrate, Ollie. No counting gumballs until after the interview, okay?
What kind of guest do you think I am?
And now, about that storm. Take it away, Javi.
Hey guys, I'm here with our expert guest, Ollie Akana. So, I hear you and your colleague / mom, Dr. Akana, have been monitoring the storm with an underwater drone. Is that right?
Yeah, a drone. We only use the best technology.
Right. So, what makes this storm different from the others?
Pi r squared multiplied by...
Does anyone have a pen that works?
Ollie. Yes, every storm is unique.
This storm covers a small area of the bay while the rest of Pine Ridge is sunny. Why is that? Ollie.
2046.
Wait, what?
Correct! The exact number of balls in the jar is 2,046. Congratulations! You're our winner!
I know. It was a fairly simple calculation. Also, I love gumballs.
Hold on a sec.
This brand new laptop is all yours.
Ollie, we're not done.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely my pleasure.
And cut. Love your work. Now, what did you have planned for these gumballs?
I'm on to the next job, so consider them a gift.
Ooh, that gives me an idea. J-Borg, I need you.
I can't believe you just screwed up my story.
Sorry, but hey, Jane's happy.
Well, maybe she is, but I'm not.
Think of it this way. The new laptop means much quicker answers about the storm, which will help with your story. Come on, let's get it to Mom. Transferring all control to the new computer. All right, it's working. Nice. Looks like the sub-drone's almost completed its search pattern, so it'll only take a couple seconds to get a full data analysis.
Wow, just a couple of seconds.
That's what I've been trying to tell you, Mom. This thing's new, and it's a powerhouse.
How'd you say you won it again?
Gumballs. It was a whole thing.
The calculations are complete.
It's triangulated an object near the eye of the storm.
What do you think it is?
We're clamped onto it now, so we can find out. The sub-drone can bring it to the surface.
Did you do that?
I didn't touch anything.
Then why is it moving?
It's like someone else is controlling the laptop and driving the sub-drone.
What?
This computer's been hacked.
Who would hack it? Void Knight wouldn't care about the storm, right?
I don't know, but that laptop was very convenient.
Hey guys, we're in some hot water.
Your new laptop's been hacked?
Yes. Dr. Akana's trying to shut down the sub-drone.
Oh, that's good.
Solon, can you scan for any foreign frequencies in our location?
Give me a sec. Okay, I've detected a shortwave signal about a mile from where you are.
So glad you're not extinct.
Same.
Ollie, Javi, we'll meet you there.
Roger that.
Hey, is it my turn yet? Can it be my turn? Okay, my turn.
Keep your fungal fingers to yourself. I'm trying to steer the sub-drone ashore.
So you hacked my new laptop?
Hacked? Ha ha! Have you not put it all together? Your head must be full of gumballs.
You're... Mr. Wiz.
Ding, ding, ding! And the prize goes to Void Knight. Ha ha! He wins whatever your sub-drone drags to shore. Tidemare, show the runners-up what they get.
You power losers are in deep water now.
Really? Because you seem kind of shallow.
It's morphin' time!
Dino Fury Key! Activate! Link to Morphin Grid! Dino Fury Power!
Shield Dino Key, ready!
Splash NATO!
Shield block!
Elasto Lash!
Splash Shield!
He's blocking everything! And now he's disappeared.
Careful, team. He could attack again from any angle.
You mean like this? Sonic Splash!
I just can't gain control. Nothing works.
I love a day at the beach.
Yes, bug bites and sunburn are fantastic.
Ah, come on! Don't you want to build a sandcastle with me?
No, I'm bringing the sub-drone to the surface. Sandcastles are for later. Right now, the anticipation is building.
Woo! Something glowy! I'll get it! Whee! Come to mucus!
Careful now. Void Knight will pulp us like oranges if we damage it, whatever it is. Gadzooks! It can't be!
Let's go build a sandcastle at home!
Incredible.
No sweat!
Let me try to break his flow. Hyper Strike!
Splash Shield! Welcome to the deep end, Rangers!
A gold ranger?
Could it be?
Where did he come from?
I don't know.
You're about to get dragged under.
You'll find the deep doesn't scare me.
Then wade in.
Mo's a blast!
Henchman!
Interesting. Moza! Slash! Electro key! Ready! Who wants some? Electro battle armor! Electro Fury Blast!
You can't break my splash shield!
Really?
Well, that was a shock to the system.
Ha! Pitiful. Ghost Fury Blade Blaster, ready!
The tide's turning to me!
Big words from someone who conducts electricity. Electro Fury, Blade Blast! He just obliterated him.
Wow, you totally saved our skin.
Who are you? Hey, Zato.
You know him?
Who was that, Zato?
I think it's,
The Sporix.
I should get this back to base.
What was that all about?
Dunno. But it looks like there's a new ranger in town.
Mom? What? Slow down.
It was mind-blowing. Turns out monsters hijacked the sub-drone and dragged that pod to shore. Guess who was inside? Anyone? Anyone?
No, you tell us.
A Power Ranger. A gold one with lightning powers.
Wow, wow, that's great.
It's true. Rangers are connected to the morphing grid, right? Maybe all his powerful energy built up in the pod, ionizing the air above, causing the thunderstorm. Sounds crazy, but it does explain a lot.
You'd be surprised by some of the crazy things we've seen, Doc.
Well, I cannot wait to analyze the data I found. Better pack this up.
That was so close.
You okay? I was so obsessed with the latest, greatest tech that Slither totally played me. And worse, I let you down. I need to focus more on the things that really matter. Like my friends.
Aww.
I really appreciate you saying that.
Do you want these? For your music?
Wow. Are you sure?
They're yours. My old ones work just fine. Do you still need a story for Buzz Blast? Because I think I know a wild eyewitness account that everyone's gonna want to hear.
Welcome back, Buzz Blasters. This live stream is gonna blow. Bubbles, that is. As these 3 contestants try to break the record for blowing the world's biggest bubble. Good form, excellent jaw work. But he's blown it. That training's coming in handy, but it fails to excite the crowd. Wowee, this is more like it. No! Great catch, JV! No, it's like you're storing nuts for winter. Seriously, spit that gum out. It's not for androids. Spit. Bubbling bonanza, it's beautiful! You're sure to break the record! That's maybe a bit too...
Is now a bad time to pitch a story?